So hey everyone, this is Amiya from SkyySkill Labs. I am standing next to the microgrid demonstration kit. It shows how a microinverter converts solar energy into AC for the real world loads. So here you can visualize that we have an microgrid inverter. Here we are giving solar input to the microgrid inverter, and then we are getting output from here, and that output will be connected with the bidirectional meter. Then from bidirectional meter we will connect the AC loads. Here we have AC voltmeter and AC ammeter, from which you can visualize how much voltage and current a microinverter gives. And here we can see we have an DC voltmeter and ammeter, from which we can get how much solar panel giving DC current and voltage. So this is a fully plug and play system. So through this, students can get hands-on training on connecting solar microinverters and solar panels.